Welcome to Monaco, with its super yachts, its parties, its glamour, its jacuzzis. Oh, and a bit of Formula 1 racing as well.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, starting from where we begin. And I don't wanna be your friend, starting from where we begin. You know, and I don't wanna be chasing you. I just wanna be this good, you know. And I keep it running, chasing you. Sunshine, I keep it running. Sunshine, I can't lose my.
What you're going to witness now is probably the key moment for any driver in this particular race. What you're going to witness now is probably the key moment for